When you start working with AutoCAD 2019, you will notice a subtle difference to the user interface. Autodesk have changed the icons ever so slightly. So if you go up to something like the Draw panel on the Home tab or the Modify panel on the Home tab, you'll notice the icons look similar but different to older versions of AutoCAD. So you'll notice that you've got slightly different color and shaped icons. They all look remarkably similar, but they're just that little bit different. Things like, for example, here, the offset icon look a little bit different. The shape has changed slightly on the offset icon there. Also as well, if you go over along the tabs at the top of the ribbon, you'll notice now you've got a new Collaborate tab in AutoCAD 2019 only. And you'll see that it's got the shared views and the drawing compare commands in there. Now, drawing compare is a new feature in AutoCAD 2019. And if you look at the AutoCAD 2019 new features course, we go through that in more detail there. Also as well, I'll just jump back to the Home tab there, so we've got a full ribbon. You'll notice on the Quick Access toolbar, there's a couple of new icons as well. You can now open from the web and from mobile. So you can open from the AutoCAD web-based version and the AutoCAD mobile-based version. You can also save to web and mobile as well. So there's just a couple of new little features in there that are quite cool and quite useful in AutoCAD 2019. They're very simple changes, very subtle changes, but you might not notice them otherwise. And I just thought I'd bring them to your attention before you start going through the AutoCAD 2019 training courses.